9.8 Write chemical equations for the combustion reaction of the following hydrocarbons. Number 1 butane, number 2 pentene, number 3 hexane, number 4 toluene. So here first one butane. Butane means alkane. Pentene it is alkene. Hexane it is alkyne. So toluene means methyl benzene. So it is the benzene substituent. So first we will write butane. Butane formula is alkane general formula. Alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. So by substituting n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. We will get C4H10. C4 8 plus 2 10. C4H10. So it is written as C4H10 plus combustion means reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen. Then CO converted into carbon dioxide. HO converted into water. HO converted into water. CO converted into carbon dioxide. Then we will balance. In organic compounds, see the rule is for organic compounds, first to balance carbon, next balance hydrogen, next balance element is oxygen. For inorganic elements, so the first balance the inorganic compound, next balance oxygen, next balance hydrogen. So it is the rules in organic compounds. So in organic compounds, first balanced element is carbon, next hydrogen, next oxygen. In inorganic compound, first balanced inorganic compound, next oxygen, next hydrogen. So we will balance the first carbon. Here 4 carbons. So here 1. So it is 4. Next balance element is hydrogen. Hydrogen contains 10 hydrogens, here 2. So it is 5. Last balanced by oxygen. Here 4 into 2 8 plus 5 13. So 30 means it balances 13 by 2. 13 by 2 means 6.5. 6.5 into 2 13. So it is butane combustion reaction. Next one pentene. Pentene means 5 carbons. So alkene. Alkene general formula CnH2n. So alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. By removing 2 hydrogens in alkane, we will get alkene. Alkene general formula CnH2n. So by removing 2 hydrogens from alkane, so we can get alkene. So CnH2n is the alkene general formula. Here pent means 5 carbons. So C5H10. C5H10. So we will write the combustion reaction C5H10 plus reaction with oxygen, then carbon CO2 plus HO water. HO water, CO carbon dioxide. So then we will balance the equation. First carbon balance 5 carbons, here only 1. So we will put 5. Next one balanced hydrogen atom. Here 10 hydrogens, here only 2. So we will put 5. Next last balanced by oxygen. Here 5 into 2, 10 plus 5. So totally 15 oxygens. So here only 2. So we will write 15 by 2. 15 by 2 means 7.5. 7.5 into 2, 50. So it is the pentene combustion reaction. Next one, hexane. Hex means 6 carbons. Ine means alkyne. So alkyne's general formula, we are removing 2 hydrogens from alkene. We will get alkyne general formula. So the general formula CnH2n minus 2. So we removed 2 hydrogens from alkene. We can get alkyne. So here X means 6 carbons. So C6H12 minus 2 10. So C6H10 is the hexane. So the combustion reaction is C6H10 plus O2 gives rise to C plus O converted into carbon dioxide, H plus O converted into water. Then we will balance the equation. Here 6 carbons, here O 1. So it is 6. Next one, here 2 hydrogens, here 10 hydrogens. So the balance is 5. The coefficient is 5. Then oxygens are 6 into 2, 12 plus 5, 17. Here 17 by 2. 17 by 2 means 8.5. 8.5 into 2, 17. So it is balanced. It is hexane combustion reaction. Last one, toluene. Toluene means methyl benzene. Methyl benzene means here C. So it is benzene. It is CH3. So the formula is C6H5CH3. C6H5CH3. So it is written as carbons 7, C7, 5 plus 3, hydrogens 8. So C7H8 is the toluene formula. C7H8. So it is written as C7H8 plus combustion with oxygen, then converted into CO2 plus H2. Here carbon converted into CO2, H converted into water. Here carbons are 7, so we will put 7. Next hydrogens are 8. Here we will write 4. 4 2s are 8. Next one, oxygen 7 2s are 14 plus 14, 18. So 18 means we will put into 9. 9 2s are 18. So it is balanced. So it is the combustion reaction of butane, pentene, hexane and toluene. Thank you. Please subscribe.